Okay, so here we are in Avida Riala in Cebu City IT Park. And that is right near the JP Morgan Chase building, and also near, not far, a few blocks away from Ayala Central Block Mall in the IT Park and the bus station IT Park. It's a few blocks away. So yeah, this room was actually pretty cheap for a few nights, 3 nights, for only 67 USD. Not bad at all. It's actually, as you know, I love. It's really clean, really clean. It's tight. It's like a small studio apartment, or efficiency, or studio as they call it now. But it's kind of laid out nice. Doesn't feel so tight. But as soon as you come into the room, you widen this lens. You come in, cut the lights on. You go to the CR, to the bathroom. Small little sink, little bathroom, but it's nice. Toilet paper, nice new toilet, couple towels, medicine cabinet. No, just regular mirrors. Nice stuff. Hot water controller. Is it a handle, or is it just a? Oh no handle. So it's just a shower head. I gotta get used to that. So it's just like a rain shower type of situation. Something to get used to, but it's still nice. Nice bathroom. So we come out of here and come out of the bathroom. The next thing we hit is the little. Sorry about that. As a little dining table for you to eat. A little 4 stools, little 4 chairs, little 4 stools for your guests or yourself. Come over to the kitchen is next. You have your microwave. You have a small mini fridge. It's pretty cold. Popular brand here in the Philippines and I guess Japan. Got your microwave. It's clean. Small. It's nice though. Rice cooker. The tea kettle. I'm assuming you have dishes, pots and pans. There you go. Pots and pans for cooking. You have 1 electric burner here. You have this range hood. Didn't open these previously. Oh, some plates. Nice square plates and bowls. That's nice. A few glasses here for you. Oh man, this plate's pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's really small, but it's really nice and clean. So yeah, here by yourself, checking in by yourself. You know what I mean? Even if you got a little couple, you and your loved one, it's not too bad. Got HD TV here. It's at about a 40-inch. You have Wi-Fi. I don't know if the Netflix is included or not yet. I didn't check it, but you do have Wi-Fi TV. You can watch YouTube. I'll check and see if Netflix is included with that later. Next little stand here. Remote control for the aircon, remote control for the TV. A few outlets over here. Nice little table if you need it for anything, working or anything. Nice full-size bed. I don't believe this is a queen. Yeah, nice full-size bed. Test the bed out. Yeah, nice little spring to it. You'd be all right. Nice little spring to it. Nice little decorations. Nice headboard. Let me see if this is connected to the wall. I think it is good, so you don't have to worry about it knocking on the wall or anything. Couple of blanket up there. Another pillow. It's already 4 pillows on the bed. Yeah, some storage space for your clothing in case you're here for a little while. Got the aircon there. Got the air conditioner. And I will show you the view. I'm going to turn off the light so you can see the view really well. I think I got to come over here and turn off the light. Bam, bam. Turn off the lights. I'm sorry about the darkness. Come over here and I will show you the nighttime view. Had late check-in, sorry I couldn't show you the view earlier. But here is the nighttime view of this part of Cebu City. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. Can't remember, we're in the IT part. There's some b-ball going on down there. Oh no, what's that? Tennis? I said basketball. Oh, it's tennis court. My bad. So yeah, so thank you for watching the room tour. Unit 2812, Riala, Avida Riala Towers. This is Tower 3. It was a little hard to get to. When you come through the main entrance to get to the other Tower 1, 2, and 4, this one you have to actually go through a garage, parking garage, to get to the front desk. Unless you have a car, you would drive all the way around to the regular entrance. So it was a little awkward trying to find it. Couldn't find it. I found Tower 1, 2, and 4. But still, you know, it's cool. Nice guard at the desk. It was cool. Cool. People in this building seem pretty nice. So here you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And here we are, Cebu City. And here's a little room. Cheap room, but a nice room. I didn't even see the ceiling fan. Okay, in case you don't want the aircon on. All right. Thanks for watching. Later. Peace. 2 fingers.
Uh-huh.